All right. Wearing wigs and weaves while you're natural is, and I'm gonna just let y'all fill in the blank. What do y'all think? Wearing wigs, I just don't understand. It's stupid. It's being fake. Why would you wear a weave or wig while you're natural? Okay, hold up, hold up. Now, for those of y'all start commenting, here's my thoughts. Really. Okay, one of the YouTubers here on YouTube named Pretty Little Fro had came up with a video recently about this specific topic, and it kind of reminds me of the whole situation with Curly Nikki and Water Lily. If y'all remember that a couple of years ago, I made a video about it called Recent Blog Posts. If y'all want to go check that out, that was a couple of years ago. Now here's my take. Now I think protective styles like using wigs and weaves can actually protect your hair against weather elements, cold weather, and other climate conditions. It can be used to grow out your hair long as you do not leave it in for 2 months or so. And then thirdly, I would say wigs and weaves is good for TWAs and having a versatile, style or versatility in your natural hair journey. Pretty Little Fro, I'll leave a link to her video in the description box. But yeah, I was thinking about this, and when I saw her video, and it really does remind me of the CurlyNikki.com situation where she posted a couple of years ago. It's almost been 3 years ago now, about natural hair, and there was a post about Water Lily, and some people were posting about, she's not actually, for the natural hair movement. She's not part of the natural hair community, and a lot of people were, upset, and was like upset about the post, and upset about Curly Nikki and the website and Naturally Curly, and it was just, it was just a lot of controversy around that. But y'all check out my other videos, and I wanted to respond. Y'all